This 2025 Airstream Bambi 22FB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Airstream is 21 feet 11 inches in length and features a Dune with white Cypress interior, sleeps 4, LP detector, DVD player, carbon monoxide detector, leveling jacks, awning, auxiliary battery, spare tire kit, TV, microwave, external shower, and 23 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Airstream Bambi 22FB is 4,070 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.